onye rere ala were kwuo ozu bụ mmadụ abụọ ka ọ na-akwa. Ndị be anyị ndeewo no. You're welcome to Amara Bekee, where wisdom speaks with grace and relevance. You're welcome to the voice of Igbo wisdom, where we bring ancient adages back to life, one adage at a time, in a way that everyone can understand and apply to life. In our today's episode of Wisdom Dosage, our adage is onye rere ala were kwuo ozu bụ mmadụ abụọ ka ọ na-akwa. And this literally means that he who sold a land to conduct a burial is essentially doing a burial for two. This proverb warns against using your major asset or your future security just to solve a temporary problem. If someone sells a land, which is one of the most valuable inheritance in Igbo land, just to fund a burial, he has destroyed something that sustains them for life, just as if they are doing burial for two. Yes, burial for two, the person that died and their future, because they have destroyed part of their lasting resource. So for our take-home wisdom, misplaced priority is double loss. It is foolishness to destroy your foundation just to impress people or to meet social expectations. Burial is temporary, while land is a permanent inheritance. This adage truly warns against 1. Don't destroy your future just to satisfy public pressure. Example, some people overspend in burials, weddings or ceremony just to impress others. If you sell an important thing just to impress the society, you are harming yourself more than you even know. 2. Don't exchange permanent things for temporary things. Burial is temporary while land is permanent. Selling permanent things for fleeting things brings double loss. 3. Be wise with priorities. It teaches that wisdom is choosing long-term security over short-term applause or societal expectations. 4. Don't let culture push you into poverty. Burial is important, but your life after the burial is more important. Na nchịkọ okwu a, onye rere ala were kwuo ozu bụkwanụ mmadụ abụọ ka ọ na-akwa. Ntị ọ dịkwa? Daalụ maka ile ihe onyonyo a. Biko ọ bụ na ị nwere nkọwa ọzọ n'ilu a m kọwara, maọbụ ị nwere ilu ọzọ ị ga-achọ ka m tọọ ma kọwaa, dere m ya n'akara ide ozi. Echefukwana itinyere m aka n'akara ịhụnanya nke ndị oyibo na-akpọ like. Gbasaa ozi a ma sorokwa m. Ndeewo.